Welcome to the week 10 of your 13-week plan, and this week we'll be showing you how the hub works, the franchisee hub, where you can actually log into our website, to the back end of our website, where we have a lot of useful documents and tools for you. So to access the hub, all you need to do is go to jimscleaning.com.au, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the franchisee hub. Now, this obviously you'll need a password. The password does change every year. For 2020, the password is Happy Street 2020, but ongoing, whenever there is an update, we'll be obviously letting all your franchisors know. Once you log in, you'll see different documents on there, including your operations manuals, WHS instructions and documents, your SWIMs, your MSDSs. We also have our logos, we have our email signature banners, our promotional letters that you can send out to local offices or real estates in the area, debt collection letters. So there's a lot of useful documents in the hub. Just keep an eye out, because we always do add documents as well, so it's not something that we just do it for the first time and leave it. It's something that it's an area that evolves in, and there's always some ideas from our franchisees and franchisors. And whenever we think it's a useful document, we'll normally upload it to the hub. So again, to log into the hub, all you need to do is go to our website, which is jimscleaning.com.au, and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Franchisee Hub. Thank you.